Hi, a lot of you have been asking about this package that I've been expecting to arrive today. Well, I got the package. Let's unbox it. Let's see what's inside together for the first time. Here we are. Oh, it looks like it's Nike. You can tell because of the Nike tape. Open this up. Look at this. It's the signature red box. I like how that they packed it. They put the packing slip in. That's how they do that. Sometimes they put it in the box, but not usually. It's usually on top of the box. Now, look at this. Classic orange box. We're gonna see what's inside. Oh, we got the tissue paper. What is this? Is this the new Nike Joyride, Flyknit, whatever they are? Oh, with the beads, the little micro beads. I don't know if you can see this. Sorry, we're getting new equipment soon, but oh, look at that. It's the newest technology in running cushion and comfort. We got the leather nubuck upper, looks like a hybrid sole with various textures and stuff. I'm looking forward to wearing these around the house. It's gonna be a good house shoe for now, because I don't think I can wear it anywhere else. But yeah, we'll give it a trial run. We'll give it, the long-term test. Click and subscribe. Thank you for tuning in. Click the link down below. Thank you.